Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Desi TV USA and DTVNN. I am Tabinda Gul. Let's take a look at the headlines. Hollywood legends George Clooney and Brad Pitt shine at Wolf's premiere. Teamster Union declined to endorse US presidential candidate for first time since 1996. European Union pledges billion to aid Central Europe's floods recovery. Trump and Republican alliance amplify baseless claims about non-citizen voting ahead of 2024 election. Biden praises economic progress following Federal Reserve interest rate cut. These are headlines. Lead to news detail. Hollywood legends George Clooney and Brad Pitt shine at Wolf's premiere. Hollywood icon George Clooney and Brad Pitt stole the spotlight at the premiere of their latest film Wolves. The two stars, who also serve as co-producer, captivated the audience with their signature charm. The much-anticipated film, a gripping thriller, has already sparked excitement among fans and critics alike. Clooney and Pitt, known for their long-standing friendship and previous collaboration, showcase undeniable chemistry both on and off the screen. Wolves is expected to be a major hit, adding another success to their story's career. Teamster Union declined to endorse US presidential candidate for first time since 1996. In a historic move, the Teamster Union announced it will not endorse any US presidential candidate for the 2024 election, marking the first time since 1996 that the union has opted out of a political endorsement. Despite internal polling showing a majority of members favoring Donald Trump over Vice President Kamala Harris, union leadership decided to remain neutral. The decision reflects the union's desire to focus on labor issues rather than aligning with a specific candidate, a significant departure from past election cycle. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen has announced that the European Union will allocate billions of euros to assist Central Europe in recovering from severe floods. Speaking on the European commitment, von der Leyen pledged support for the region devastated by the deluge, ensuring that funds would be directed towards rebuilding infrastructure and supporting affected communities. The financial aid is aimed at helping nations regain stability after the unprecedented disaster, which has left widespread damage in its wake. Former President Donald Trump and his Republican alliance are intensifying unproven claims that widespread voting by non-citizens could skew the outcome of the upcoming US presidential election on November 5th. These accusations are being raised in a series of lawsuits that democracy advocates argue are assigned to undermine trust in the electoral process. Critics warn that such tactics could erode public confidence in the integrity of the election, despite a lack of evidence to support these claims. A day after the Federal Reserve implemented an interest rate cut, President Joe Biden celebrated the nation's progress in reducing inflation and boosting employment. In his remarks, Biden highlighted the administration's effort to stabilize the economy, crediting the rate cut as a positive step towards sustaining growth and making life more affordable for Americans. The move by the Federal Reserve is seen as part of broader efforts to balance inflation control with maintaining job growth. This is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news to Desi TV USA, DTVNN and our OTT platform DTV Flix, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.